These white chocolate ginger cookies are perfect for Christmas entertaining. This is a much quicker recipe than baking cookies from scratch. I use ginger snap cookies, white, red, and green candy melts. Melt the white candy until smooth. Dip half of the cookie into the white candy and place on a parchment paper lined cookie sheet. Place them in the freezer and allow them to set. Now use your red and green candy to add a piece of holly. Allow everything to sit in your freezer and your cookies are ready to enjoy. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.